our technology that was developed by BASF Agricultural Solutions with together with Orta, that is now part of the BASF team. So our product is contextual, in which scenario is contextualized? In the scenario where we see new complexities coming up for grape producers. First of all, what we see is that the vineyard producer has a lot of data, a lot of information popping up, and information that has to be taken care of in order to take then the decision on where to actuate. So in this scenario also becomes even more attainable concerning the fact that we have a new scenario also for weather uncertainty, and also a lot of restriction around the crop protection products utilization in the vineyard. Together with this, we have wine producers that are requested to operate in a more efficient way in order to maximize the profit coming from selling their final product. And at the same time, also an important element that is trying to adopt an approach that is addressed to and towards the environmentally sustainable activities. So what is Agrigenius Grape? Agrigenius Grape is basically a decision support system. And how does it work? Is a solution that first of all gathers field-specific data through two main income sources. So one is the sensors that are located in the field, in the vineyard, and the second element is the second source of data is weather forecast data coming from the providers. These data are gathered from the vineyard and are crossed together with forecasting models that basically works by simulating the development of the plant and also the development of the disease. In our case, together with Orta, these forecasting models were studied and researched for more than 10 years and are right now covering most of the main disease on vineyards. Together with these two steps allows them to basically let the system elaborate this data and provide alert and suggestion that can drive and can support the wine grower to take decision and action then in the vineyard on the operation which to follow up. So what's, in a nutshell, what's then the value for the end user, for the wine grower? First of all, given that we have all this data collected and gathered in only one place, the vineyard grower, the wine grower is more aware of what's going on in the vineyard, is entitled and has the opportunity to basically monitor it in real time and from any support from the computer, from a smartphone, from a tablet. This means that basically having a clear image and picture of the situation in their vineyard, they can take more targeted and more accurate decision on how to operate, whether to intervene with the crop protection products or whether to intervene with irrigation or fertilization. This is more driven and more specific and precise. And at the same time, of course, having the projection of what the situation is going to look like in the vineyard for the next 7 days, it allows also the wine grower to basically have an optimization also in the planning of the activities that they will be taking care of. And at the same time, really evaluate in an objective way whether to interact or not, whether to enter in the vineyard or less. This also translates basically, first of all, in high saving on time, on resources, and on money as well. And of course, as said in the beginning, in the introduction, this also reflects in a reduced environmental impact of the activities. That's why right now we decided to, in order to really make it more usable and approachable by the different type of vineyards that we have in the territory, in Italy as well as in other European countries, we decided to structure our offer with 3 main options. So we have the Agrigenius Pro version, that is basically the more complete one that covers crop protection, covers nutrition, covers irrigation, and also abiotic stresses, and allows you, for instance, also to pick and choose like some crop protection products, fertilization products, and see also how they will interact and interfere in the vineyard. This is, together with this, we then propose an easier version that is the Agrigenius Go, that it basically works like a smartphone app and is more dedicated to the crop protection. And then we have the last solution that is Agrigenius Tech, which is more structure for like wineries or consultancy group that has to take care and to manage different realities of farms. This was basically my presentation. Of course, I cannot really cover all the detail of the tool, but in case you have any question, you can visit our website, agrigenius.it, or you can contact myself or my colleague that is taking care of the product. Thank you very much.